ask you about some of the films that you've been in and the scent memories that they conjure. So good. What scent does that remind you of?
She wasn't allowed to do anything. No face makeup, no
Right.
eye makeup, no anything. They dressed me all in men's clothing.
Yeah.
And it was just like bowling. That's what
Yeah.
that's what I smelled like. I smelled like bowling.
That must have been like a little beauty withdrawal moment
No, you
for
know
you.
what? It was so freeing. At first, I
Yeah.
was crying. I mean, and
Yeah.
Curdy was making fun of me, and then the DP came up and he just said, "Cher, it's in the eyes. It's in the eyes."
Yeah.
And then I thought, okay, all right. I hope it is for me. You know. But,
Yeah.
So it was a hard thing, and then it was a great thing. It was really like I felt so free.
Because you could just be in the
Yeah.
character.
But I was forced to not be me.
What about Moonstruck? Is there a fragrance that you associate with?
Well, I was
Loretta?
making my own concoction then.
Okay, interesting.
So I was using Jean Laporte vanilla,
yeah.
and then I was using a really cheap thing called Ritz by Charles of the Ritz, and I just mixed them together. I'd spray them both at the same
So
time.
that was your maybe earliest
Yes,
starting
right.
to become perfumer that you are today.
Right, and I loved it, and I just wore it constantly.